Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to convert raster image to vector image in Photoshop. When I zoom in, you can see the logo is pixelated and not in good quality. Let's start. First go to Image and click on Image Size. Change its resolution to 300 pixels, which will help the image to be less pixelated. Now go to Select and click on Color Range. Select the shape you want to make a selection. Increase its fuzziness to 200. This step made a selection of the bird perfectly. Now select any selection tool and right-click Make Work Path. Set its amount to 1 pixel, or if your shape involves curved shapes, you should set it to less than 1 pixel. Then go to Windows and open Paths if it is not present in your panel. Now go to Path and you will see the bird selection. Go to Layers and select any color. You can see a new layer is made with a bird. You can also change its colors. Now add a black background color to clearly see the vector image. Even if you zoom it, its quality will be good. Zoom in and see the difference before and after. Next I will show you how to save this image as a shape. Delete the selection layer and go to Paths panel. Select the selection and go to Layers. To save this shape, go to Edits and click on Define Custom Shape. Name it as Bird and click OK. Now go to Shape, select Custom Shape. You will see the bird shape you just saved. Drag cursor in the center and place the bird. Change its color as you want. In the next step I will show you how to save this vector mask apps file for any vector-based software like Illustrator. For this, delete first 2 layers except the real image. Press Ctrl+J to copy. Go to Paths, select Layer and go back to Layers. Now open Direct Selection tool. Right-click and create vector mask. Then go to Image and select Trim. Follow these settings and click OK. Delete background image. Now save it as EPS file. I hope you liked this tutorial. Thank you for watching.